there are two basic ways in which mediations occur. One process is called the evaluative process, and one process is called the facilitative process. Now, in the facilitative process, a mediator would merely allow the parties to say what they have to say, make their proposals, and conduct the proceeding in a calm, civil, and fair way, and allow the parties to handle it in large part while maintaining a civil and safe and reasonable atmosphere. In such a situation, the mediator would not test anyone's proposal. He would merely say, well, I'll pass that along, or how to the other party, how do you feel about that? And then the parties can discuss it, or you can carry those concepts back and forth from room to room. The other process is the evaluative process. And a lot of mediators do stay away from the evaluative process. I do not. I believe there's a lot of value in it in the right circumstance. In the evaluative process, a mediator will test the premise of the proposal that a party makes. Oftentimes, a party makes a proposal that everyone else thinks is completely unreasonable, and maybe it is, or maybe it isn't. A good mediator is not going to tell a person your proposal is unreasonable, because oftentimes it's very reasonable to the person who's making it. But a good way to get to the bottom of it is to ask some questions to help the party who's making that proposal evaluate their own proposal. And sometimes you just want to say, well, do you think that's going to be effective? Or do you think that's achievable? Or if you get that, is that really going to resolve the underlying problem that you have? If that were offered to you, would you accept such a proposal? And when you ask those kinds of questions, you're not criticizing or condemning or judging the proposal. You're engaged in evaluating the proposal. You're helping the party to evaluate their own proposal.